everyone, and welcome to a new video from Mark George. Today we're talking about Blogger. So what is Blogger and how to use it? Coming up in the video. So Blogger is something that you post posts and people see it, interact, comment, and you earn money by specific number of comments and specific number of likes. So how to use Blogger? This is the interface of Blogger, your account, Blogger's logo. Here you have your blogs, which I made is music and PS4 titles, but I will start with you guys a new blog. So when I start, I will see the title here. So for example, here I will write YouTube, and here I will write, for example, www.youtube underscore mark 136 or 13.com. So it says that the blog address is invalid or not supported. So if this happened to you, you do like this. My new blog address .blogspot.com. So we say YouTube mark 136 at blogspot.com. So the blog address is available. No one has used it before, and we are choosing the theme now. I think that this one is good, the awesome INC. So let's create a blog. YouTube was created successfully. So here all of our posts are empty. Our stats are also empty because we have nothing to show, and our post traffic source is also empty. Audience, comments are all empty because all of these are empty. But here theme, you can customize it if you choose a wrong one, and pages, you can add or remove a page. So let's start with making posts. In the post page, you click new post and it will open a new post. Now loading. So we said that we are making YouTube videos, so we can go here and make it like this and write YouTube videos from, or let's write here, from Mark George. And we here go, this is the languages. Let's make that bold and make that underlined, and it will be done. What is wrong here? We can add to dictionary, and here have it. As we said, we go there to align to the left and start. So we are going to say I am Mark George and I upload YouTube videos. Okay, and these are so for example, this is the font. I can make this font the Times New Roman, for example, and here we have the font size. It was not with numbers. You can make it small, but I'll choose large for people to see. Here we can choose so we can make these as a heading, so they have their own customization. And we can make this one, let's leave it as normal. We here can do like this, and it will be like this, but we will remove it. So we have the text background color. For example, we go like this and make it yellow. So it's like the highlighted or highlights. We can go here and make a link. So for example, we can add my latest YouTube video, or we can write, for example, the video that I love, the VPN, and we go to YouTube here .com, and then see, this is me here. We open this video and get the URL from here, copy it, and get the web address here. And now if someone clicks on the VPN button, it will go to the YouTube video. Another thing that we do here in the link option is an email address. So I have a spare email address here with numbers and letters. And be careful at the note. Be careful. Remember that anytime you include an email address or web page, nasty spammers can find it too. So whenever someone clicks on the button, they will send an email to you. I can make this open in a new link. Sorry, in a new window, but I'll leave it here. Then you can put a photo from here. You can upload one from this blog, from Google Album Archive, and from your phone. And I'll leave this one. Here we can put special characters, which are these. The characters that are not on the keyboard. We can go for stars, and we'll find a star, put it here. And this one's insert jump break. This, as we said, is aligning the text, and this is numbering the text. So we can do just down here. We can say, for example, this. So Y, K, X, X, or K, S, anything. And then we have the bullet list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here we have a quote. So the quote is here, and make this a quote to make it, for example, he said a quote, and we can make it like this regular. Sorry, just like this. And we can make he said a quote, and make it a quote. It will be like this here. This is remove formatting. If we made like this, and formatted this one to here, so it will remove the format. Here are the languages, and here left to right, or from right to left. We have the plus settings, labels like tags. Sorry, so we can write Mark George YouTube videos and click done. We can say the permalink here, automatic or custom. I'll leave the automatic one and copy this one, which is now going to the clipboard, as we said in the video of yesterday. The location, and yesterday also we said that we can allow it from here or block it from here instead of going to the settings in the content settings, but I'll block, or I'll leave it here. I can write, for example, Egypt, and zoom in until it gets my, yeah, here. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Just proceed. Get that essay done. And the options, read their comments. I can allow or don't allow. Compose mode, show HTML visually. HTML is not a language or a programming language. It is used to make the interface of the site. So it's not making the program or something. It's another languages. And we can say done, save, but before we publish, we must preview it. If we like it, we publish. If we don't, we will add. So here, that's it. We can comment so it's good. I think it's good. If you don't like it, you can change it, and then you go there and click publish. So now if we went here and pasted the URL that we copied, or the permalink, it will go here, and now we have it. We can post the comment and say hello. The other thing now in Blogger, just don't know why it's like that. We can go from there, Blogger. Just this like froze or something. Is the stats. So when you click on the stats, you page views today, page views yesterday, page views last month, page views all time history, and followers. So every time you get a follower, which is like subscriber or something, you get money, but a huge number of followers. We have the audience, anyone that saw me, but I just uploaded it. I only had 3 page views, which I saw there. The comments, I can manage the comments, remove content or delete the earnings, which you earn. And the pages, you can manage the pages, new page. And the layout, as we said, we chose it, and it's in the same the beginning of the video. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you liked it, and if you did so, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell so you won't miss any video that I upload. Also tell me in the comments what video or tutorial do you want the next time, and have fun, and thanks.